Let's walk through how to activate Tap to Pay on iPhone in the Yoco mobile app and start accepting contactless payments. To get started, open the Yoco mobile app and tap your business name in the top right. Head into Business Settings, scroll down and select Tap to Pay on iPhone. Tap Activate Tap to Pay on iPhone, then hit Continue to link your Apple account. Accept the terms and conditions, then follow the prompts. And once you see that it's configured, you're ready to start selling. Now select Try Tap to Pay on iPhone to finish your setup. Enter a sale amount and select Charge. You'll see a Preparing Payment message on your screen. When the payment amount appears, ask your customer for a contactless payment method. That could be a card, a phone with Google Pay or Apple Pay, or even a smartwatch. If it's contactless, it works. When they're ready, have them hold it on the top of the iPhone. Over the contactless symbol, you hear a sound and see a check mark when the payment goes through. Once it's approved, your customer can scan the QR code for the receipt, or you can send it by SMS or email. And that's it. You're ready to accept contactless payments with Tap to Pay on iPhone. To learn more, visit the Yoco Help Center using the link in the description.